Hello guys, welcome to Smarter Ways. My name is Rajesh Kumar Jha, and today I'll be showing you reasons not to buy Samsung Galaxy J5. I'll be showing you 6 reasons why you should not buy Samsung Galaxy J5. Samsung Galaxy J5 is a mid-range device which costs around 12.5k. So it's a very good device. Basically a very good deal to grab. But the things which you should consider before buying this device are: first of all, I would like to say it's the same conventional design Samsung uses. It comes in 3 colors like black, white and the golden one. I have the golden one, but truly speaking, if I had the white one, you would definitely guess it would a Grand Series mobile. Samsung always uses the conventional look, so it has the same repetitive look. Secondly, I would like to say it misses the basic sensors. Like I would like to show you, it lacks the basic sense. Like I would like to show you, the sensors it has acceleration, proximity and screen orientation. Moreover, it does not has ambient light sensor, so every time practically I have to adjust the brightness myself. Second of all, it does not has any compass. So it lacks the basic sensors. This was the second reason. Third one, I would like to say it has the capacitive touch buttons. Does not emit any light, that is there are no backlit. So if you are in a black room or in a dark room, you won't be able to see which button are you pressing. Practically there are 2 buttons, but the buttons don't emit any light. So this was the reason number 3. The reason number 4 I would like to say is the audio quality. The audio quality is good, but the loudness is very low. Supposing that if you fix an alarm, you won't be able to wake up because the loudness is very low. I would like to show you a song. The loudness is very low. Like as you heard, the loudness is low, but the audio quality is good. This was the reason number 4. Reason number 5 is the internal memory. The onboard storage this device comes with is 8 gigabytes. So after the first boot, the free storage was around 4 gigabytes. So let me show you. Now I have free storage of 3.4 GB, and the system memory is consuming about 3.35 GB. So if you are a gamer or someone who likes to install various apps and games, so this mobile is not for you. So you will be having the memory full within weeks. So reason number 6 is Gorilla Glass. The IPS panel with the 720p display lacks the Gorilla Glass. So these were the reason why you should not buy Samsung Galaxy J5. Apart from this is a very good device. This leads the mid-range section, and in 12.5k it's a big deal with a super AMOLED screen. But these were the reasons you should consider before buying this device. Thank you guys, and like and subscribe if this helps.